Hi everyone, it's Shamela here. So just a very quick one. Stamperia has launched something new called a junk journal kit. And I haven't opened these. These have arrived a couple of days ago and I finally managed to open up the boxes. But Candy Christmas is one of the latest collections that they've launched. And oh my goodness, if you see the colors in here, then you will just fall in love whether you like Christmas or not. So let me quickly open this because I'm very curious to see what actually is inside the junk journal kit. It says background stickers cut out, 16 pages for art journaling and card making. Front cover is very appealing, I have to say. It's really cute. So the opening pages gives us two very beautiful backgrounds. Take a look at this lovely candy house and also some beautiful clouds which feels like they are simply popping off the page. More backgrounds, a lovely little Christmas village. The colors in here are just gorgeous. And we've got some cutouts. This is a little bit, oh, this feels like stickers. Oh, it's sticker paper. Okay, let's just do that. You can actually just peel them back. So these are stickers. Very cool, very cool. I'm not going to open any because I don't want to ruin it. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this candy Christmas tree. If you love soft pinks, oh, these are like die cuts, but they are back to back. So let me tell you, this is now a remarkable improvement on the original collectibles. It's because now in the collectibles you got paper and you got some cutout, but in the junk journal one you're getting stickers as well, which is cool. I have no idea how much they cost. I didn't actually work it out yet. Here's another one. And then we've got like journal cards. Brilliant. I think this is like a scrapbook dream all in one. So more paper. Oh, look at that lovely background. I love it. Then we've got, what do you call these? Hot air balloons with words Merry Christmas. What are these? These are more stickers by the feels of it. More journal cards. Oh, these ones are back to back, which is really cool. I think these stars are absolutely incredible. They look like little cookies that's got 3D icing on the top. Very lovely. Oh, that is a stunning background page. And then we've got more cutouts here. And we've got more. These are also back to back. There's some tags in this one. Some words. Oh, and the snow globe is gorgeous. Oh, let's see. So that's the one side of the tag. And that's the other side. That's really nice. So you got the best of both worlds. You can choose which side you want to use. Snow globe. Oh, I just saw this. I just saw the other side and it's gorgeous. Why do they do that to us, eh? So now you got to choose. Do you want the snow globe or do you want this absolutely gorgeous background paper? The candy canes are to die for. And then we have little envelopes. Now these are really great because all the dimensions are here. You cut it out. Do you have to cut it? Let's see. Yes, you've got to cut it. But it's got, the inside will be this waffle kind of finish. And the outside will have its own front. But these are all the pieces that you would just fold in. So all the measurements and everything has been done for you. You just need to put it together. And that one has got lots of gifts and candy canes. And there's the back page. Now, I want to open the Owl's House because the Owl's House is an additional collection that was launched. And I must be honest, it didn't pique my interest much because I'm not very much into owls. But seeing the colors here has kind of changed my mind, I think, because I see a lot of the Lady Vagabond kind of coloring here. And so let's open this one up and see what's inside. Honestly, these owls have got the most gorgeous faces. Look at this one. Her eyes are absolutely incredibly beautiful. Very kind eyes. So we've got a lovely tree there. Welcome. So depending on what's on the other side, you can actually cut this out and you've got a ready-made, like a background. Ooh. So beautiful. This is very Christmassy. So if you are not into Christmas and snow, it might not be your thing. But honestly, I'm looking at these trees and, you know, Stamperia has got the snow effect paste. I can already see the dimension that you can create if you had to add that paste to the trees. It will completely change the whole page. Nice wood grain, plain and simple. And then we've got another page that literally tells a story. It's a little cabin in the woods with lots of snow and trees. Oh, this wood grain has to be my favorite. Why? Because there's script in the background, there's distressing, and there's lots of little, like, if you had to drop water onto a distress ink pad, that's the kind of effect that you would get if the background was white. Beautiful owls. Oh, and a little Christmas bunny. Pine cones. These are gorgeous. And these are stickers, so you would just peel them back. Some more stickers. And we've got a very vintage Father Christmas there. Lovely. I love clocks. I see a clock and then I'm happy. So beautiful clock, teacups, a little shed in, and then I nearly lost my train of thought. So we've got a little shed there, and we've got some hot chocolate with hot marshmallows, a baby owl sitting on a rocking chair. So pretty, so gorgeous. Oh, and these are the back-to-back ones. So depending on which orientation you want your handle of your cup to face. If you want it on the right, you would use this side. If you want it on the left, you would use that side. And that's what I loved about the collectibles. I'm so glad they kept something like the collectibles. Book people, this page is for you. Look at all the lovely vintage books. Some words. And whether you're in a snowy area or not, the word winter wishes is always useful. This is a lovely tag that's got some tearing there. Very cute. Here's one that says with love. I love this idea of a stack of envelopes, because that's always something that's useful. And then we've got two brilliant borders at the bottom. Those are also back to back. So, oh, look how nice that is. What's on the other side? This one says Home Sweet Home, and that one is blank. So it gives you the opportunity to actually put your own wording in there. Then we've got more journal cards with some detail on the front, and then plain at the back. Oh, is this not just the most beautiful page? I love the watercolory look here on the background. Of course, there is script in there, which is perfect for me. I see some winter blossoms there. Very nice. And another lovely wood grain finish. And these look like stickers as well. So we've got two vintage Father Christmases, teddy bears. I've been looking for one of these teddy bears, a vintage teddy bear, and I can't seem to find it. All the teddy bears nowadays are way too fluffy. They don't look like these teddy bears. So if you see one, let me know. A beautiful rocking horse. Those are stickers, more stickers. Look at that spread. So gorgeous. So if you journal your Christmas day, then that might be a really good option for you. I'm looking at this, and this feels like it's a stage, because if I look at chopping off that, it looks like the floor with the walls. Same with the bottom one. So depending on what you want to do with it, very, very nice. And there we go, that's the back. And then we've of course got more journaling cards. This is the front, so I'm guessing the back will be plain. So we've got snow, trees and mountains covered in snow. I really like this one, and I love these two houses. In my head, I would cut them out and 3D them, one in front of the other. I think that is like, oh, what a lovely color combination. And if you look at the green next to it and the like tealy blue colors next to it, those complement each other really well. That is such a gorgeous tree bark. Oh, these are back to back as well. Great. This one's got words, that one is blank. There's a stunning moon, beautiful arrangement of flowers. And then on the other side, feels like it also back to back. So we've got words, we've got borders. You know, once you put a border down on a page, you have broken that blank page syndrome, and you can build up from there. I think a lot of us, like if I look at this now, this can be the top of your page, and this can be the bottom of your page. It depends what you want to do, but that automatically sparks an idea, and off you go, get creating. So I really like this here. It's like a frame, and on the other side it's got snow kiss. So for me, if I don't have any snow pictures, or I don't really talk about snowy things, then I can use the other side. Like even this looks like snow, but if I had to cut it out and use it as clouds, who would know that that was actually meant to be snow in the first place? So we've got another background page, and this is already like, if you're into A4 journaling, you've got a start of a page. But if you're working in a smaller journal, if you had to chop this page in half, you would have 2 sections that you can use. Oh gosh, I love that. I love this whitewashed look, but what I do love more is that lovely mix of greens and like a beigey brown that comes through on the other side. I really like that page. And we've got a snowy page, back to back, another background page with trees in the forefront, and that's the last page. So those are Stamperia's latest edition. Latest addiction. You see, the word addiction is in my head. Latest addition. Let me rephrase. This is Stamperia's latest addition to their range, and it is called the Junk Journal Kit. I think it's really cool because you're getting paper, you're getting stickers, you're getting cutouts, you're getting and background sheets as well. Journal cards, card fronts, depending on what you want to use it for. So I hope you like that interlude. It's supposed to be 5 minutes. We are on 13 point something. Never mind. That's it from me. Until next time, I'll see you in cyberspace. Bye now.